So my phone is currently at like 9%, but I am going to make some breakfast and then while my phone's charging, make myself look presentable. Today's soft launch day, so I'm just gonna kind of go with you guys throughout the day of me like making our post, maybe, depending on how charged my phone is, and setting up my thermal printer, testing it out, just kind of getting everything organized. But I'm just kind of waking up right now, but let's go make some coffee. Okay, my kitchen has horrible lighting, but it's fine. Don't you rub your head against that tripod. So my mom actually placed my first order. I have the, stop, junkie boy. I have my site ready to go. I'm just using Square right now. And I sent it to a couple people, but I haven't posted it in my little Facebook group. I have a little Facebook group for my soft launch, and then kind of see how that goes, and then we'll post it like onto my Facebook page, Instagram, like my Linktree, and just kind of blast it everywhere, depending on how the soft launch goes. I'm gonna make some French toast this morning because we have a bunch of eggs, and I feel like we really need to get those eaten because they're just kind of chilling in the fridge. Boom. Look how cute. Okay, now let's make breakfast because I'm starving. While my French toast is cooking, I'm trying to find a design on Canva of what to post for like my, here's my website, go buy stuff. I have Canva Pro, and so I've just been using some templates, but I've been trying to make them consistent. Like I want them to like look the same. I don't want like a completely different design every single time I post. And like my logo has like little sparkles in it, so I've been trying to incorporate those into it as well. I'm trying to find something that shows, like I could show like a screenshot of my website and then like a little like arrow clicking or something. I'm thinking too hard on this again. Okay, I'm currently getting ready to post my website link. Chester's hanging out with me. Let's get this typed up and see how it goes. I just posted it. Ah, there she is. Got my cute little post. Got my link. You know, I said to make sure people order the correct size and color. Anything ordered before Tuesday at 5 will be a part of my order that I'm doing on Tuesday for shirts. Brand rep codes are good for like one purchase, so the customer can't just keep continuously using it. If anything says out of stock, let me know, just in case I run into any issues on the website. And then people located in NWA can use code local, but I don't want them using code local if like I have to ship it to them. Like if I'm shipping it to them, I'm like that. No, like this is for like people I work with, people I see every day, people I'm gonna meet up with, like they live, you know, close to me. Like there's no shipping involved. And just thanking everybody for supporting me. So then let's make sure the website link works. There she is. And then you click shop now. And I got my designs here. This is the only one I don't have pictures for, but that'll change eventually. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shirts. I have 5 or 6 orders so far. It's like 11 something, I think. I am gonna make another coffee and then head to the office to see what we can do up in there. Here's the coffee for this afternoon. So this is what the office currently looks like. It's a disaster. So this, I'm thinking about moving that printer. Really? Back over here after I get the Christmas stuff out of here. What do you think? Alright, so my supplies I need some bigger mailing bags. Tuesday and Friday are shirt ordering days. My current sales and coupons. Organized office. This is the plan for today. My next project is sweatshirts, which I'm super excited for. I think I'm gonna start here, just because it's a little bit smaller, and then I can move my printer over here maybe. Got the kitty cats chilling with me. Chester, look at that neck. Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing, baby? Oh my gosh. It's a beautiful day, huh? Okay, I totally forgot about my printer. or not my printer, yeah, my thermal printer. So I think that's gonna go on my desk because obviously that's gonna be connected to my computer via cord instead of Bluetooth. So that's gonna go over there. It's not gonna take up very much space, so I'm not worried about that. Here's my Cricut supplies that I got. Eventually I'd like to go to like, was it DTF transfers? Where like, it's not, I don't know, heat transfer vinyl. But for now, we're sticking with this. So I'll be cutting all the designs with my Cricut. Look guys, a box. The cats are intrigued. So I got 2 rolls of black, 2 rolls of white, and they're all 6 feet long each. They were bulk. So they were $18.99 with Cricut Access, which was pretty cool. So let's see how big they are. Not too shabby. It's pretty how the thickness is. I'm interested to see. Man, I really hurt myself on my tripod. I'm interested to see how long these last. I think the black is gonna last me a long time just because I only have one shirt that uses black. So might venture into other colors. I really want to organize this place so that way it's like efficient. Like I can actually utilize everything and not be so stressed. I have this Cricut organizer, no, not Cricut organizer, vinyl organizer on the door over here. And for some reason, almost all of my rolls are on one side, so it's gonna lean. But I don't know, man, we need to do something. I feel like I could be utilizing this a lot better. So I might go through all that and maybe do like vinyl and then like iron on, because I think I have a good mix of it. So I may have gotten a little distracted yesterday, went to Walmart, so I didn't get everything done that I wanted to, but I did get some sticker designs made up yesterday, so we're gonna print those today, hopefully, if I can get my HP Instant Ink to freaking work. Currently making a chocolate chip pancake and made my coffee. Finally got some blonde espresso using my glass straw. Delicious. So today my goal is to get freebie stickers done and to just really get like my shipping and all that stuff done. And maybe work on like a couple designs for the next launch. I really just want to like keep going with that. I don't want to like have huge breaks. I had 8 orders yesterday, so that was pretty good. I made about $200. So we'll see if I get any today. I'm kind of nervous, but I mean, I've just been trying to like put myself out there and just really be consistent. Like today I posted, and once I get like the shirts in, I'll start posting. When I'm making them, I'll posting like, and then I'll have more pictures of like the other colors. If my dishwasher's loud, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I think I messed up. I mean, it's bubbling now, but she big pancake. Oh well, more the merrier, right? Just try and take care of some laundry. Sir, this is not a safe place. I need you to get out. Well, this is where I ended yesterday. Got that cleaned and straightened up so it's nice and tight and not leaning no more. It's organized a little bit. We need to clean this, organize this, and then tackle this. Love that. This is cool, but like, it's, I don't know, holographic, so you have to put it on something that you can see this. I thought that the background was white, but it is not, it's clear. So this is gonna go in the, I don't know what to do with file. Ooh, what is this? Pink. Does that match the pink that I got? Stencil vinyl that I have no idea I really have to use. You know what I feel like should be a thing? Secondhand craft stores. You know, like people that want to donate like Cricut supplies or just like machines or tools and stuff, and they sell them like at a discounted price, which I'm sure there's a lot of like legal issues with that, especially with like Cricut and stuff, but they're kind of cool because like I have all of this vinyl and all these like iron-ons that like I probably will never use. Like I got these like a good 3-4 years ago. Am I gonna use these? No. No. Sister's my assistant for today. Oh, do you like that? So here is all my iron-on. Here's all my glitter vinyl. This is all my regular vinyl that I had in there, and transfer tape. I'm making shirts out of, oh, it is the same pink. Okay, we're not gonna focus today. So I have 3 rolls of the pink now. Okay, cool. Here's my bulk Cricut. Camera's not focusing today. So I really wanna make sure that all of that is easily accessible. So I might put like this stuff up at like the really high top where like I can't reach. Good morning, it's Monday. This vlog kind of turned into a whole weekend vlog. Yesterday I had some issues with my phone. My next objective is to get a vlogging camera because I'm just really tired of using my phone. I just want something like little handheld just for vlogging. Anyway, today is absolutely beautiful outside. It's gonna be almost 70 degrees. It's what, February 20th? Weird, but I guess I'll take it. Today would be like a great day for headshots, but I got nobody to take pictures. Dakota's at work, and I really just don't want to wear makeup today. It was a hair washing day, so we're just gonna try to focus on some things and just really be motivated today. Got the window open, the cats are all in here, so let's get started, and let me show you what I did yesterday while off camera. So we got that situated. That's all cleared up. Don't look at that cube right there. Cricut is centered. I kind of made that look a little bit neater. Chester and B. Don't know what B's doing. This old thing wanted to give me a bunch of trouble yesterday, but we finally got her set up, and this is all cleared up. I really don't know where to put this right now. Need to throw that away, but I like to keep my stickers in here. They fit perfectly sometimes. Shipping. Oh, geez. Let's ignore that. Okay, I guess it's staying like that. These are the mailers. I'm having bigger ones come in today. They're gonna go here, and then for pickup orders, I'll have the little bags with the handles, and they'll go here. This is just here for right now. Eventually, I think I'm gonna put that there, just because I'm gonna get a little stand for all these labels that'll sit behind it. But this is like my little shipping area. Scrunchies are gonna come with orders until they run out. I'll have stickers, and this is what, these are care instructions, and then I'll put freebie stickers in there, and then my shirt folder, and then my scale, which I need to get a new one. So I have an HP printer, and so you can sign up for HP Instant Ink, and basically you pay for like however many pages you want to print a month, and then like when you run low on ink, they send it to you, which I mean really it's a great deal, just because like you're not really paying an outrageous amount for ink. Like when I had my old printer, I was paying like anywhere from $30 to $50 for ink, and that was just like one cartridge. So it's kind of beneficial, but the reason I canceled it is because I just wasn't printing anything. So, and it kept coming out at different times. It was just aggravating, but I couldn't get it I couldn't resubscribe because it wasn't picking up my printer. My printer was connected to the internet, and it was saying that it was ready to print, and that the printer itself was connected to the internet, but it just wasn't finding it. So I ended up removing the printer from my HP account, which I was scared to do because I have HP Instant Ink cartridges. And since it knew that, it was like, oh, you can't print. And so I was like, great. If I remove the printer, it's gonna give me all these issues because I have the stupid HP Instant Ink cartridges. But it ended up actually being perfect because what happened was I removed it, and when I went to go reinstall it, it was like, oh, hey, do you want Instant Ink or, HP Plus? And I was like, oh my God, yes, please. Because all I wanted to do was print some stickers yesterday. So we finally got that situated, thank God. I think I did the $100 pages, which are $5.99 a month. So whatever, that's not bad. Because I figured with doing my business, I'm going to be doing a lot of printing. But anyways, I'm gonna have A couple preview stickers picked out right now that I'm gonna print, so I'll get to printing those and show you what they look like. So I really wanted these to be smaller, but I'm having a hard time or an issue with like making sizes on here, and then they print and I'm like, oh my god, these are massive. So these are, I think, 2.5 inches or 3, I don't remember, but we're gonna tone it down to 2 if my Wi-Fi will work properly. So now I'm having issues with Cricut Design Space and my Cricut connecting to Design Space instead of my printer connecting to my computer. I think I'm just gonna go reset my Wi-Fi again. I don't know what's going on with it. It's being, I think I connected to a hotspot, but I just, like, why can't things go smooth? I don't understand what's going on. I need to manifest it more, I guess. The Wi-Fi is going to work. We're gonna go reset it and not have any issues the rest of the day. So when I make my stickers, I put this clear single-sided laminate sheet on top, so it kind of makes them waterproof. Sometimes the Cricut has a hard time reading these, like, I don't know, registration marks, so sometimes I'll put tape over this just so the Cricut can read it properly, but I've been kind of lazy lately and that hasn't happened. But the Cricut reads it pretty much fine, and I haven't had any issues with it. But I just pull this back and then closely slide it. And then, that makes me nervous. Might have some bubbles. Oh my gosh, it's fine. Woohoo, more shipping materials. So these are the really big ones. These are, I think, 12 by 15. And these ones are 10 by 13. And then these are these are kind of small, actually. I don't know if these are gonna fit all the shirts in there or not, but 12 by 9 by 12. These are for pickups, so people like delivering to in person. Don't ask me how these bottom pink ones are gonna fit in this drawer, because honestly, I'm not sure. But those are definitely gonna fit. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Perfect. Freebie stickers are done. There's 3 colors in the flowers. The anxiety repellent sticker. Inhale, exhale. And then the you talk too much one wouldn't fit into my drawers. Now I am gonna go sit on the couch to watch some YouTube videos and work on some designs, and might quite possibly change my logo. I don't know. We'll see where we go from where we get today.